Please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
I'm out here on my own with a million things to say, describing how I felt when I left you yesterday. I sat out on the street that I've given so much for, yet the miles in between make me miss you even more. And still I seem to smile, picturing your face, the passion in your eyes, the warmth of your embrace. It shivers down my spine when I realized how I've changed. Out here on this road, in this rock star search for fame. The days and nights roll on, lonesome, long and cold. The hands of time, they hold strong, like a love that keeps hanging on. I'd rather fall from grace than live our lives apart. Just remember when matters most, that our love has come this far. And still I seem to smile, picturing your face, the passion in your eyes, the warmth of your embrace. It shivers down my spine, realizing how I've changed. So I'm out here on this road, and here's the song I say. It's us against the world. I wasn't sure I wanted to change, but your love has made me see what I want to be, what I want my name to stand for. When I'm up here on this stage, I may wind up famous, I might wind up wrong, but in the end my love for you will never stop. So don't you see, you're all I need. You're the greatest change in me. Yeah, yeah. You're the greatest change in me. So can you see, you're all I'll ever need, and yes, that's good enough for me. Thank you.